Promoting Jvzoo affiliate products is a very specific type of affiliate marketing. Most people don't know how to promote Jvzoo products the right way and wonder why they're not making any money with Jvzoo. There is one key way of promoting Jvzoo products that gets you sales. So if you want to know how to make money with Jvzoo as an affiliate, keep watching. If you haven't created your account already on Jvzoo, get started. You can create a free account as a Jvzoo affiliate. You get accepted right away. Now, what I'm going to share the next step is the best way to promote Jvzoo products that I have found. It doesn't require any paid software or any promotion methods to get traffic. The concept is really simple. When a new vendor is about to launch a product in Jvzoo, there's obviously a lot of buzz going around that particular product and a lot of affiliates may want to promote it. This buzz, which usually lasts around 1 to 2 weeks after the product is launched, will drive people to find out more about your product. That is, when they go to Google or YouTube, they search to look for more information about the product. Your job as a Jvzoo affiliate is to find these products that are currently in the launch phase and create details video about them. And not just any video, I will tell you the exact steps that you need to do, so keep watching. This strategy is called launch jacking. Basically, it's all about making as much money as possible during the initial launch period of the Jvzoo product. Now you must be wondering, how do you find all these products that are upcoming in Jvzoo? You can view upcoming products launches on Jvzoo by using a website like Muncheye. Here you get a variety of products that you can look for, the one that matches your interest and audience. You will want to make sure that you gain access to the products so that you can review them. You will need to reach out to the product creators and ask them for a review product. To increase the chance of them actually giving you the review of the product, you need to prove to them that you are the real deal and that you have a way to get customers. Many sellers will still approve these requests even if they don't know you. So just make sure that you write a compelling description. So now here's where the strategy comes in. Upload your first video 5 days before the Jvzoo product launch. You will need to actually review the product. The best strategy is to create a video of you promoting the product itself. First, cover what comes with the product, talk about why you think the product is worth buying. If you have any bonuses to offer them, you can do that to entice them to buy the Jvzoo product via your affiliate link. When you upload the video, make sure that you include the keywords of the product in the video title that indicate it's also a review. Also, make sure that you optimize your keywords so that your video will be on the first page when people search for that product on YouTube or Google. That's where you get your free traffic. The reason this strategy works is because someone searching for this item might most likely have already heard about this. They're looking for more information about this product before they buy it. So if you create a convincing video, the conversion rate will be higher. Just one video is not sufficient. You also need to upload another video at least 2 days before the product launch. Now for this video, show the Jvzoo product solves a certain problem that someone has. I created a detailed video on how to do that in my previous video titled How to Create a Video for Affiliate Product Promotion. The link is in the description if you missed that video. Now after the Jvzoo product is launched, people will start searching for that product on YouTube and Google. If you have optimized your keywords and your watch time is high for that video, it will be ranked on the first page of the YouTube or Google video section. I will cover more details on how to get your video ranked on the first page of YouTube in the coming weeks, so make sure that you subscribe so you don't miss out on that. So users will then click on your video and then watch it. Let's say you get at least 100 views on that video, and out of that 100, let's say 50 people clicked on your affiliate link and 20 people went on to actually buy the product. So if the product commission for you was $20 and 20 people actually bought the product, then you will get $400. I'm just giving a small example. So you don't need to get a lot of views to get a fair amount of money. So if you do this approach for many upcoming products, then you will be able to make money with Jvzoo as an affiliate.